In this video, I am going to show you how to add a bank account to your Cash App account. Adding a bank to your Cash App account allows you to easily transfer funds between your bank and Cash App. And here's how you can do it. 1. Tap on the profile icon located on the Cash App home screen. This icon is typically found in the top left or the top right corner of the screen. From the options presented, select Linked Banks. Tap on Link Bank to begin the process of adding your bank account to Cash App. Follow the prompts provided by Cash App to link your bank account. This may involve entering your bank details such as the account number and the routing number. Before the Link Bank option is available, you may need to add a debit card to your Cash App account. This helps verify your identity and facilitates transactions. By following these steps, you can easily add your bank account to your Cash App account, enabling seamless transfers between your bank account and Cash App balances. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.